Welcome back to another episode. We're gonna do another Angry Bird ham dunk. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Oh, give me a second. We're gonna load back in and do this all over again. That's my living room where I did Call of Duty, and we can do some food challenges like jet pan, candy challenge. On Christmas Eve here we got a snowflake up there. Probably can't see, we have a Christmas tree right here. I got a small like little wreath kind of Christmas tree. Alright, back to the game. NBA dunk. Put it back on the stand. I got this. Okay, made it out. Alright, restart. I'm trying to go for the hoop. Here we go. I'm gonna slam dunk this. Here we go. Look at him go! Who's the 3-star? I slam dunked that stuff. That was some 10 out of 10 stuff right there. Angry Birds versus the Bankins. Let's go. I'm slam dunking this. Let's go. I'm up there. I'm not slam dunking this. Here we go. Hooping it. Slam dunk. Wait. Ooh, another slam dunk. Ooh, look at me. NBA sports star. Look at that 3-star. Dope. I'm dope. I'm a champ at this. Look dope. I'm doping. Oh, ham bought by Pirates, and we had the Angry Birds. Let's go. Oh, I know what I'm slamming dunking for. Alright, here we go. Hit that trophy. Boom. Angry Birds slam dunk. Look at that. Alright, I know what I'm doing here. I'm gonna go for the legs there. And get that present. What was it? An aimbot. Alright, who cares? I'm gonna go for earthquake after this. Oh god, that was a fail and a half. Alright, I think I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna go for legs. Right there. And when that does that, it falls everywhere. Slam dunk. Come on, back to the ball. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Let's go! Ah! Wait, what? Let's go! Angry Bird for the win! Let's go! Did you say that? Mom, get the camera! We just made that! Oh my god! Right in my game! Oh my god! Alright, we don't like cheerleaders. They got all that cheerleader team. Good. Alright, then this one goes for that one on the ladder. He drops the basketball. The hoop. Oh, I'm gonna do some. Alright, this episode's all about trick shots now. Alright, here we go. Go for a slam dunk. Oh, dang it. Wait a minute, I know this. Alright. You wanna go all. Oh my god, I can't do this. Alright. Here we go. Okay. Wait, oh, I know you gotta use Speedy up there. Right, Speedy, here we go. Okay, no. I'm trying to make a slam dunk. Trick shots, here we go, trick shots. What? That don't fall. I'm just trying to do some trick shots here. I'm not even trying for anything. I'm just trying to do trick shots now. Oh my god, did you see that? I have made the OP shot of 2016. Alright, this one I have a struggle with. Am I supposed to hit the TNT? Oh my god. Alright, let's get a bigger view of the map. It's cheerleaders now. Alright. I think I'm gonna have to struggle with this one. So we'll just skip this level. Let's go to level 5. I think that's the one. Hold on, right? Yeah, here we go. Alright, I think we reversed the bacon, right? I think we're reversing the bacon. Okay, alright, here we go. Sorry, I'm coughing. Come on, give me like a wrecking ball. Give me like a wrecking ball. I just want to do that now. I just want to make it go in like a wrecking ball. Give me like a wrecking ball. I'm just having fun right now with the wrecking ball. Give me like a wrecking ball. Give me like a wrecking ball. Now we have a nuke. Nuke 'em! Wait. Let's go, mama. Mama boy made it. Let's go. Oh yeah, let's go. We're versing the pirates. Let me pay pirates. Alright, this one looks way easier, I'm gonna be honest. My bad, I didn't even show that part. Wait. No hoops there, okay, who cares? That's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you